Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number of this device. So basically we've got two different ways to check those numbers. The first one requires a secret code and the second is using the settings, and of course I'll show you both. So let's begin with the quickest option. Let's open the dialer and the code for the IMEI info is *##06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. So let me tap on OK and let me show you another way to check those numbers. It will be quite useful if for some reason the secret code won't work. So let's simply enter the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the About phone. And as you can see, we do not have to enter any other sections. In the first section, we've got not only the serial number, but also both IMEI numbers. So actually that's all. This is how to check IMEI and serial number using two different ways in your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.